You can live in the mountains all summer long, and you can feel that you'll always be forever young. You can live in the mountains all summer long, and you'll feel that you'll always be forever young.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm again solo, and actually I left the group for a little while. I don't know. Maybe we'll hook up tomorrow, maybe not. I don't know what the deal is. Kelly wasn't feeling well, so she went back to Damascus, which is fine. And the way that I was woken up and told that I had to make a choice was not cool, and I made my choice. So I'm walking, slack pack, headed back to 19E tonight, and then tomorrow I'll have them drop me off at the same place, and then I'll go north till Hampton, probably get a motel in Hampton, and then we'll figure out what's next. I don't know. I'm so frustrated. 1 minute with the mixed messages, I guess, is what it is. 1 minute I think I get it. I'm, sinking in with her, and the next minute it's different. I don't know. I don't get it. So anyway, I knew that there was a possibility I might have to do this trail by myself. I mean, it's my dream. It wasn't hers. She hooked up with me. And I get that. But now we've got a whole bunch of them, and they seem to not want to hike. They want to camp. That's fun. So we go 6 miles. And then when I say I want to go to a motel or something like that, I get chastised. So even last night, we got to 19E. I paid for my bunk. Kelly paid for the other person's bunk. I got the tub bunk. And there's no choices. I don't get a choice. It's constant. Deanne will take whatever things. Remember, I'm here for growth, and I need to speak up. And today I just said, I'm done. And I talked to the manager, and they're tired. They're so tired. And so is his wife came and got me, picked me up, took me up here to Mountain Crossings, I think is the name. I don't know. Anyway, so I have 11 miles and a couple waterfalls to get through, and then get back down to 19E tonight, where I have a bunk, and all of my shit. And then tomorrow I'll have them drop me off at Mountain Crossings, or maybe a little farther up the road, I'm not sure. Anyway, and I'll go north and possibly meet them guys at Laurel Falls. I don't know. There's just, I am just really, 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 really frustrated, folks, and part of it is, it's my own fault. I don't speak up enough. I don't. Anyway, I'm headed in. I'm going to try to enjoy my day. I heard Woody this morning, so that was really nice. He popped in, said hello. And I know it's not the same woodpecker, but hey, we can hope, right? I talked to my husband by text because there's no phone service here, which that really sucks too. I'm missing home. And this whole Tennessee thing wasn't even my idea. I said, you know, let's catch that later. Let's just keep going north. But nope, we had to do it this way. So this is the hard way. Officially, I will get the miles, but I don't know. Anyway, as I said, alone again. I had a beautiful day yesterday. Today it's a lot of forest walk and bugs. Lots of bugs because it was rainy yesterday. And, really rainy yesterday to the point. And it's supposed to be thunder and lightning tonight. So, and I will have new roommates because I will be in a bunk, which, you know, I hate. But it is what it is. I'm learning this hostile way of life. Okay. No more negative talk. I need to be happy. And I need to get these miles done. So I'm going to get off here. I gave you a little trail time. And this is what the trail looks like. It's literally full of trees. So until I get to the waterfalls, that's pretty much what I have for me today. I will get back on if there's any more views to show you all. So far the trail is all downhill, which is really nice. I don't think I have very much up today, because I am going south. So, but I have 11 miles to get to where I need to get going. So hopefully I can figure things out and, you know, get a ride and all that other stuff. So wish me luck and send me prayers. And actually send us all prayers so we can figure all of this out. Anyway, thank you guys for listening. Thank you for watching my videos. And I love y'all. Alright, bye. So this is Mountain Laurel Falls. I think I got that right. Anyway, pretty beautiful. So I'm gonna head down now. Okay, I just called that Mountain Laurel. It is Mountaineer Falls is what that was. Very beautiful. The shelter was amazing. It's a triple decker shelter, and it was clean and beautiful. So this part of the that scared me. Thought it was a snake. This part of this section is pretty. I mean, not bad so far. So I've gone just a little over, I think, two miles. I don't know. I gotta check and see, I guess. Anyway, my outlook is better. Met some people on trail, and I just gotta keep going, I guess. And you know, I gotta do my thing, and this is about me. It is about growth, and this is part of my growing. So, you know, I'm not after any title. I'm not after any accolades. I'm not after anything. I just want to have seen all this beautiful stuff before my days are done. And the only way I'm going to do that is if I get out and do it. And I feel bad for the rest of my family because they're not seeing it. I don't know. You know. Anyway, I don't need to say anymore. Bottom line is gonna get down to 19E. I'm gonna sleep in another bunk tonight, which again is a total change for me. And then after that, I'll make the decision tomorrow, see what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'd really like to go to a hairdresser, get this gray out of my hair. But, you know, hey, if it all turns gray, it's better than nothing at all, right? Let's see, what else? I had a great breakfast this morning. 19E serves pretty good breakfast. I'm not a biscuits and gravy person, but they had pancakes and eggs and these wonderful potatoes. And I don't remember, was there meat? There might have been in the potatoes, I don't remember. Anyway, it was really good. So I feel like I'm full and full of protein and whatnot. Just met a nice young man. Okay, a little older. His name was Burmy. So Skip, if you're out there, he's worried about you and he's looking for you. So he is at the Mountain Harbor Shelter, or Mountain Harbor Bed and Breakfast, I think it's called. Anyway, so that is it. And if I see anything beautiful along the way, I will sure to get on. I've been following this river to my left side for a little while. Not sure what it is, but boy, it would be nice to be in the river right now. Whew. It is muggy today and warm. Warm, warm, warm. I'm just about to Jones Falls, and then after that, I think there's one more set of falls, I think. And then after that, I'm headed towards 19E. So that's what I'm doing right now. But I am hot. Really, really warm. It's so humid and muggy and buggy and all that other stuff. Anyway, I don't really have anything to say, and there's really nothing to see. I just wanted to show you that. But I was sure to be showing you the next waterfall. So we'll see you and talk to you in a little while. Okay, I have something to talk to you guys about. And I just thought about it. So let's talk about the YouTube channels and YouTubers. Now this isn't for everybody because there are some really real YouTubers out there who hike and do the trail and make magic happen. But I'm finding that a majority of them are only here to take pictures and to, I don't know, to basically fool you guys. Not everybody, but you know, they do things over and over, and I'm not like that. I'm not gonna tell you the lies. I'm not even going to sugarcoat it. You're gonna see what I see or what I saw or what I want to show you, period. But it is all for my own personal use later on. I don't have an agenda. I will not compete with anybody else. Obviously, I think I have 150 people watching. Maybe. I enjoy making them, but I'm not an editor. In fact, I don't really know how to I don't really know how to use KineMaster. I think if I had a computer, it probably would be 10 times better. But I don't have that. So I'm using my phone, I'm using KineMaster, and I'm hiking. I'm hiking miles, and you'll see the miles I hike. I'm gonna screw up words. I'm gonna screw up and fall down sometimes. I'm going to tell you the wrong names. I'm probably gonna mispronounce names. I get lost. And I'll tell you, I'm a princess. Okay, I ran into people, so I had to stop for a second. So I was saying that I am a princess. Make no qualms about it. So that's the thought of today. I just thought I'd tell you, you know, that's why I don't push my YouTubes on everybody. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will talk to you later. There are some beautiful views here, so I'm going to turn you around so you can see them. Yeah, pretty spectacular, huh? We just went through that field there. Now I just got to figure out if I'm in the right place. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I just came out of the corner and saw this view. It's pretty, wow. We're overgrown in here. In fact, I'm a little unnerved by it, and I don't see white blazes, although I did before. So, hoping I'm going the right way. There's nobody on trail on this end. I've seen people on trail all day, but nobody going the same way as I am. So, anyway. This is really pretty. More little rose, wild rose, super pretty. Smells amazing. I wish I could have smell-o-vision for you guys too. Except you wouldn't want me because I smell terrible. I think that's Laurel, isn't it? Mountain Laurel? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, so gonna keep on walking, and I will keep bringing views when I see them. So Guthooks is telling me I missed the Jones Falls offshoot trail. I didn't see it. I can hear the falls down there, but it is showing me completely off. So I know it's a point when off trail, but I didn't see any trail that goes to the falls. I haven't seen anything off the trail. So I don't know. Anyway, so I may be missing this one. I can hear it. Sounds beautiful, sounds big, but not quite sure where it is or the trail to it is. So if it's a secret, I'll leave it a secret. I've already come up this mountain once. I don't want to do it twice or 3 times. And I came back down, and time to go back because I need to find some place to eat. That was my destination, but I'm not quite sure where I missed the trail. So anyway, going to keep going up this mountain, and hopefully maybe I'll see something on the way up, and it'll be just as beautiful. So this little side trail was totally worth it. Wow. It's called Jones Falls, and if you see it, it goes way up there. Amazing. And goes all the way down. Jones Falls, totally worth it. If you want to take this little side trail, totally worth it. I'm from the Pacific Northwest, where we have some magical waterfalls, but that one, wow, that one rivaled ours. Definitely must see. To this forest, and if you look at it, it's got a lot of, I don't know, like a black plague of death. The trees don't look like very healthy, the whole forest. I'm not sure what kind of trees they are or what's wrong with them, but pretty interesting anyway. I think I still have 4 miles or 3 miles left to go. It's been a hot day. Really, really warm. You know what? No, it can't be. I don't know. Interesting forest. So I'm just down here, first road crossing, and then I go over Buck Mountain, I think it's called, and then from there it should be into Roan, and then back to 19E and a lonely night. So this is Isaac's cemetery. I'm not really sure what the significance is, but I'm sure there's some really old stuff in there. I will look it up for you guys if you would like, and it looks pretty beautiful. Nice place to rest. But I'm not going in today to look at anything because I'm running really late. So just gonna try to get on the trail and get my butt back to the hostel. So, wow. There's Jesus. It's beautiful. There's somebody sitting with a gravestone. Anyway, so heading on to trail. And I think I go this way. So, I found another one of those. But I never find them on the mountains. Isn't that funny? They're always gone. Alright, I've got another 2 miles, I think, maybe 3, to get to where my hostel is. And then, I still don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. But hopefully they'll call me before they get going. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, got up on top of this little mini grassland and look at it. It is absolutely beautiful. So I don't know where I'm at now at this point. I think I have 2 more miles left. I think. I don't know. I just saw like the town of Roan, Tennessee, and I'm not sure, like, I don't know how far I gotta go. This southbound stuff kind of gets confusing. So, anyway, hopefully I can get there soon, because if you look up, see black clouds, and 6 o'clock are supposed to be thunderstorms, so they've moved it back. I swear. Oh wait, do I go this way? Let's go this way. Because there is a white blaze. There's a white blaze. So yeah, there's roads and little paths everywhere, and it's kind of hard to figure out where the heck. So, but I think I got it. Anyway, I'll get on here when I see something more beautiful than this. I don't know if there is anything, but anyway, hopefully, or when I get back down to town around 19E. So, and let y'all know that I got there safe. Good morning, everyone. Headed to Laurel Falls. So, wanted to give you this view because it is absolutely spectacular. We're all back together. I'm feeling better. My ankle still hurts, but I'm, wow. This makes me feel much better. Wow.
Eat everything, don't they?
Yep.
Little mule mead.
Oh, awesome.
Bene vedi vici.
Nice.
This is Laurel Falls. It's really pretty. Although I'm thinking, guys, Jones Falls is just as pretty. Or maybe even prettier. But it's pretty. He's moving shit. This, folks, is my next part of the trail. Yeah, now let's see if I can break my neck before I even get around here. I won't be videoing very much because somebody did that. That's cool. Because it is just nothing but rocks. And I have to go around here. And we're right next to the river. Just walked into Butov Hostel. We are not staying here, but it's super cute. Just went by there. I took pictures mostly. Super, super cute. And probably one of the best places to stay. They actually do aqua blazing here too, so that may be in my future. We'll see. Anyway, just thought I'd let you guys see this place because it's very cute. I'm hurting today. I have one knee that's making its appearance. Those are the little cabins making its appearance and making me know that I've hurt it, and then my ankle is still hurting. So 2 days off and maybe even a doctor visit. We'll see. Anyway, cute place.